Hi, this is Sam from Mobile Commons. Today we'll go over how to create an mCast. An mCast allows you to take incoming messages and display them on a screen at your event using the inbox. The first thing we'll want to do to create an mCast is to create the search in the inbox that will reflect the messages that we want to come in, because we don't want every single message that comes into our inbox to go on the screen, just the ones we choose. So I'm going to go into text messaging and into my inbox, and I'm going to just search for the kinds of messages that I want to show up in my mCast. I want just the responses from my donors campaign and multiple choice responses that arrived after yesterday to be in my search. I'm going to do an mCast asking people what their favorite sport is at a sporting event. And this is the search that contains those kinds of responses. So I'll click Save Search, and then I'm going to click Edit. It allows me to edit the search. I can give it a name. We can enter some other information that allows us to also edit the filter. But the most important thing from this edit view is to choose whether it's moderated or unmoderated. So unmoderated just allows every message in the search to be displayed in the mCast, and moderated only allows messages that you approve to be in the mCast. And typically that's what people want to do, is a moderated search. We can click Create mCast right from this screen, or we can go to Text Messaging, mCast, and then click New mCast, but I might as well do it from right here. We'll give it a name. And then we can add a header and a footer message that show up at the top and the bottom of the mCast. The header message is a great place for a call to action. I'm going to leave the footer blank. Then we choose the search that we want to use in this mCast. I want to use my sports mCast. We can choose to automatically remove certain keywords. I don't need to choose this option because I have a moderated search, and my search also does not include keywords but only multiple choice responses. And then we can edit the font size and color of the incoming text messages and the header and the footer. So I'll create my mCast. If I went to preview my mCast now, nothing would be there because it's a moderated mCast and I haven't approved anything. So I need to go to my inbox and approve the messages. I just want the sports messages to show up, so I'm going to click the star only next to the answers to the question, what's your favorite sport? And then when I go back to my mCast and click Preview mCast, there it is. So I have two choices. I can just make it big and project this right from my computer at the event, or I can embed the HTML from this mCast on my website. And that's how you create an mCast.